Today, let's talk about something different. Yes, something different. I actually heard Mr. President on several occasions saying he is an Nkrumahist, meaning a follower and a believer of what Nkrumah does, and he would like to replicate same. But for all those, well, I thought it's just something that he's saying just for him to get the attention or to get the favor of Ghanaians, just to get him into power. But what this guy is doing now is something that has proven to me that he is truly an Nkrumahist. Just yesterday, we heard that Ghana Airways is back, and recently, as we speak, the cargo flight is in Ghana right now as we speak.
Drums echo deep where the waterfalls sing. Beads on the mountain.
Even if it's a partnership with any other company, a private investor, or whatever, this is a good initiative. I am definitely going to get my passport. Yes. Please, if you know anybody that works at the passport office and can get me a passport, please tag them in this comment section. Let them get to see this. I definitely have to get my passport. Where can I do my Ghana card? Let me go and do it and go and get my passport. Because what is happening right now, I can't just sit and watch. I have to be a Ghanaian. At this point, I have to be a Ghanaian. Yes, I actually adore what the president is doing, and I would like to see more of this from him and even the subsequent presidency that will be coming in the coming years, because this is just massive. Bringing Ghana Airways back, and you think it's a joke? Charlie, Mr. President, I really adore what you do, and I pray that the may good Lord keep you up and you continue doing the good work. Thank you for watching this video from the very beginning till this end. I am your one and only village blogger, Simon Kofi. That is on the mission to travel and showcase Africa. See you in my next video.